Make sure the string's in the middle, Paige. Look at that. Yun, natin ang mga batuta nagpapalipad ng kite. Dito kami sa Sunnydale Park sa Bari. Last picnic before the school start, which is Tuesday. Ayun, bumaksak na yung saranggola. Oh. Ayan. Dami rin nagpipiknik na yun. So it's a nice park. Ayan. Ito, lalamig si Mrs. mahangin daw. Mahangin ngayon, windy, kaya perfect timing na dalhin yung kite. Ayan. So, shoutout din sa mga Pinoy doon. May mga Pinoy doon. Shoutout sa inyo.
Ay, bumagsak na.
Kasi masyadong loose yung string, kailangan i-tight nila konti.
Yes, go up.
Ayan, taas na ng isa. Taas na naman. Ayan. Come on, Pacey.
I'm trying to fight it.
Two hands, man. Two hands. Two hands, buddy. Come on, it's gonna go down. Hold on. You gotta look up. Look at your kite.
Okay, it's going down.
Oh, sino sa isang malaki?
Fight the wind.
Oh man, look at that one right there.
Wow.
Ayun o. Come on, Pacey, yun o. Taas na sa'yo. Sige na. Okay, hold on. Let go. Let it go a little bit. It's getting windy. Straight. Put it straight. Put the line straight. Okay. It's not done sina Ate Paige and Mommy.
Oh, I think it's going down. Fight the wind.
Fight the wind.
Okay.
Okay,
it's
pull
going-
it. The wind is getting weaker. You gotta pull it. It's gonna go down. There you go. You're down.
Okay.
See? Okay, pull it. Make sure it's straight line.
You go,
Okay,
yeah.
here we go. Fight it.
Fight the wind. Fight the wind.
Where is it?
Oh, it's okay. Now it's down again. Don't let it go yet.
Come on. Make sure the line is straight.
It's tangled.
There.
Okay.
Dito pa. Okay, let go. Hold it.
Okay, let it go. Here we go.
Yan. Okay, keep it steady. Kaya atin itong yan. Hindi naman kasi lumilipat tong barko eh. Okay, let go.
You let go.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Ayan. Kay Captain Hook na barko. Ayun. Yung cook ko, my God. Wala nang ang gas eh, hindi pa alam. Kaya nagpalit tayo ng canister natin kasi ubos na. Hindi pa luto yung dinner natin. Ayan o. Hindi pa siya luto. Si Riley nandun. So after nag-park, we decided to go for a walk dito sa Friday Harbor. Yan. Dito to sa may Innisfil, Friday Harbor. There's a live band over there, restaurants and stuff. Yan.
Daisy, baka mahulog ka dyan. Dito lang kayo, no running please. Ah, go, let's go. No, no, anak. Wag na doon. It's too close sa tubig. Ang lamig.
May band to.
I need hand sanitizer. Oh.
Chilly ngayon.
So cool. Hi, Mga Daily.
And we're gonna go back to the car na. Uwi na tayo. We park right over there. So yun lang. Next time ulit. Next vlog natin sa, well, we'll see. First day of school, Tuesday. So yun ang next content natin. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in and please like and subscribe. Share nyo na rin. Thank you.
If you want to, follow me. World, If you